All right, we are setting up now. I've set one row of flood bags that are new, just like this one. You can see how flat they are. And we're going to set another layer of them. And we're dealing with this culvert here that we're going to demonstrate how the flood bags work. Now you'll note that there's also some ones that have already expanded. They're up at the top of the picture, way up here. And these are the new ones down here. And then of course this culvert. The water's flowing that way. So what we're going to do now is we're going to start the process with two hoses. You'll see the water is starting to dam up against the flood bag. And going to increase the water now, water flow. And again, you can see we've got a tremendous flow going on at this point. Now this one, I'm going to simulate rain, and the other one will simulate surface water. Surface water is attacking. So, this is water. I'm going to put that down for a moment. I'm going to turn this around again. And I would like you to see where that water is now. I'm going to go over to it. You can see it's backed up. Or it's backed up to the blue. It's backed up to the bags that are way up here, which is probably 20 feet from here. But you can see the water right there, and it's still moving uphill in that direction because of the dam that we built here with those flood bags. Well, let me get this thing re-aimed here. It's back to normal. There we go. So you're seeing a little bit of water on the other side of the flood bag dam. But what that is water that's bounced off of the flood bag. I'm going to just kind of get a feel for one of these. Again, we got water bouncing off the top of these, but yeah, they're pretty full already. Even the one on the edge here, look at that, look how big it got. So we could go on with this demonstration some more, but I think you'll understand here that these bags have already expanded substantially to about 30 pounds. And I'm going to turn the camera around again, and I'm going to walk it up the hill because I want you to see where that water has gone to now. You can see the water has now backed up clear up to the edge of the property. It's clear up. You see that? So a little awkward with this tripod in my hand, but you get the picture here. Let's grab this guy. And there you have it. That's how big it is. Now, you can see that that bag has expanded. Now here you can see the water flowing downstream.